Get out of here. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cold, so if my voice sounds more manly than usual, we're just gonna ignore that for today because today we're doing the last holiday video before the what I got for Christmas video because Christmas is in a week from today, people. A week from today. Today I'm gonna be doing the Blindfolded Gingerbread House Challenge, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to build the entire house blindfolded or if you just wanted me to decorate it, and it was 50-50, so we're gonna do both because that's the only way to give the people what they want. I got this gingerbread house from the dollar store, so there's not really a lot to decorate it with. So we're gonna have to do a lot of icing work, I guess. Obviously it's the dollar store, so it might be like a little janky, but let's find out. Oh my god, it's so small. Like tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger. This is all they give you to decorate it. And then they give you some icing. These are the pieces. It smells really gingerbready from what I can smell. The reason why I got a dollar store one is because I didn't want to waste like 10 bucks on a gingerbread house. That would be less than my best piece of work, if you know what I'm saying. We have the front and the back, the two little itty bitty sides, and then we have the roof. Oh, I'm scared.
You look ridiculous.
I'm scared! Yeah, here we go. This is so hard! Cardboard. Oh man, I should have brought paper towels up here. This is getting gross. Nope, nope. Oh. It's not gonna stay. I put it on upside down, didn't I? Ah!
Oh
no! The roof is gonna be impossible. Oh no, oh no. You laughing makes me nervous! To the people that voted that I should build this entirely blindfolded, why did you do this to me? This is not working.
Nothing is sticking.
There's gonna be no icing left to decorate this. Here, I was thinking I was gonna come at this like a pro. Oh, and it was gonna be really great. No, I'm not so sure. I don't know what gave me that idea. There's no way. There's no way the roof is going on this. Is it on?
Kinda.
What's happening? Oh. Come on! Oh, what happened? Something fell. Is it falling apart? Stay together. Oh man, my hands are covered in it.
Oh yeah. Look at that. That was perfect. Wow.
Was it? Are you lying?
Oh no, that was good.
Oh, did I break it?
It's actually in the shape of a house.
Wow! I was gonna try and do like really cool designs and stuff, but no. That's all I can do!
It's one gnarly looking house.
I can't get this to stop sticking my finger.
I'm not sure.
Is it like covered in white?
Oh yeah.
My hands are so crusty. Oh. Yeah, that's crusty. Tyler was eating all my sprinkles.
Part of the same old gingerbread house.
Try
Now,
this!
with Fallon's blindfold kit, you can have tons and tons of fun.
It's done. I think we're good. Is it too plain?
Oh
How's it look?
god.
Here we go. Grand reveal. My eye makeup's probably gonna be a mess, but... Oh. Actually, the construction of the house turned out a lot better than I thought. Could be worse, right? That is the Blindfolded Gingerbread House Challenge, folks. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of my gingerbread house, and if you want me to do this again next year, but like with someone. I think that would be really funny. But all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys next Tuesday for the What I Got for Christmas video, and I hope you guys are all having a wonderful Christmas. Please enjoy the rest of the week doing Christmassy things. If you celebrate, if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you have just a wonderful week. I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye!